Hi everyone! Welcome back to my Diary of Debs. Medyo late pero abot na abot to. Natapos na nating mapanood at mapakinggan yung Divine ng BGYO. Pero ngayon, i-listen natin yung other songs nila. Without further ado, let's get it! This is BGYO Heartstrings official lyric video.
I've been alone, all designing in my mind. I got shit in my shoes. Guess I should've known you'd be the one to give it up. I got nothing to prove. Don't
Jello.
be had something going. Reason why so many times I've forgiven you. Your true colors keep showing. Guess I tried to put it out. Should probably be thankful. How many times you gone?
It's giving Jonas Brothers vibe. Yan. I was thinking, wait lang, yung vibe nila dito is giving Jonas Brothers.
Beating on my heartstrings. You keep beating on my heartstrings. I could give you 10 rings, but you still be looking for the next thing. How many times do I have to rewind to forget about
Okay. My bias. Let's go.
I still be trying, I get left behind. No, I'll never catch up to you if it's up to you.
Oh, cute.
Left behind, I don't know why I thought this time was different.
I have a feeling na may mag-rap dito maya-maya.
You were so high up in the sky, said you were forgiven. Give it a try, we could be flying, don't know why I listen. Don't wanna get hurt again, leave my heart to burn again. Take it back to when we met, shit was easier.
Ah! Shit. Bala na pala magmula.
Said, can we kick it? I'm like that, gotta be pleasing. We were cool as that, then we did that, damn step back.
Ooh.
I don't think that we can manage now.
Sheesh.
Gone round and round. I'm not the one to hold you down. Beating on my heartstrings. You stay beating on my heartstrings. And I could give you 10 rings, but you still be looking for the next thing, next thing. How many times do I have to rewind to forget about the shit you do?
Grabe. Mapanakit naman yung lyrics nila.
I still be trying, I get left behind.
Aw.
Never catch up to you if it's up to you. If it's up to you.
Mapanakit. Masakit. Yan naman pala heartstrings. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome to my diary kung saan lagi tayo nagpa-fangirl sa mga OPM, P-pop groups, Filipino artists, Filipino talents. Thank you guys sa mga baguhan dito sa YouTube channel ko. Just wanna say na I love reading the comment section. Thank you sila for supporting BGYO. I've been waiting so bad sa BGYO na mag-release ng new album, ng new EP. Kasi sila din yung mga sinubaybayan ko noon pa. Pero kaka-create ko lang ng YouTube channel na to. And I guess it was just perfect timing na kakagawa lang ng YouTube channel, tapos kalabas lang din ng new songs ng BGYO. So I'm so happy. I get to do this na maipakalat din sa ibang Filipino people ang about sa BGYO. I really do support yung Filipino groups. Lalo na kung super stan naman talaga sila, alam niyo yun. Lalo na kapag mas nakilala niyo sila individual. Kaya mas napapamahal din ako sa mga ibang groups kasi kapag nakikilala ko sila by individual. Kung saan sila nagsimula, kung paano sila nag-audition. Yeah, I guess this is a sign na para alamin niyo about sa BGYO. Yun lang naman. Click nyo na agad yung next na song. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below kung sinong favorite artist mo kasi magna-next na agad ako sa next na song ng BGYO kasi more than 24 hours ako nagpipigil kasi galing akong bakasyon. Ngayon giyang na giyang ako, gusto ko na agad pakinggan. Yung next song, click the next video.